What's up with everybody? It's your man Mario B.
And Nicole.
And we're back at it with some more reaction videos, man. So we came across this video. It's called
The Dark Side of Mukbanger Kate Yup.
Yeah, man, these mukbangs, man, they be out of control, man. They be eating
Yeah.
all tons of
Some them are
food.
just gross.
They make the stuff look nasty, man.
I know.
You know what I'm saying?
Some of
stuff
it makes me hungry.
Yeah, some of them
Like,
do make you hungry.
The one time they had a bunch of pizza, and I'm like, man, I just want pizza.
Yeah. The pizza is good,
but sometimes they're gross.
man, when they be eating all these live things,
Ew,
squids, it's like, oh
no,
man.
Never do the live octopus.
Yeah, man.
No.
Damn.
Ew, more of this.
Girl.
Ew, gross.
Kate, come on, Kate. Kate. Ugh. What is that? Like,
That's like octopus or something.
Octopus, yeah,
Well,
it's
I
not-
guess octopus you're supposed to eat live, so I don't know what that is. Because
Yeah.
that looks like a tentacle, though, with the,
yeah.
the things. Unless it's part of a sea star.
Nasty.
She does look frantic.
Yeah. So we was commenting on concerns. Why she eat so fast? She hungry, man. She
did
is
kinda like-
hungry. She wants something to eat, man. When you know when you hungry, man, you just
Maybe
you,
that's
you
just
get
part
this
of her
squash
gimmick
and
when
stuff
she's
like.
Maybe that's just part of her gimmick when she's filming it.
I don't know, man. Well, probably say who's this? Oh, yeah, probably
Yeah, that's what
so.
I'm saying. It could
Maybe
be
that's
a
how
part
she eat,
thing.
man.
Yeah.
You know how we have like rappers that be tongue twisting. Well, hey, she's a
She's-
fast eater,
she's
man.
a
Tongue
twister,
eater,
mukbanger?
tongue twisted. Yeah, like she Goku and stuff.
Okay.
There is that she's being held hostage. What? Held hostage?
What? The stakes just shake.
Let me see.
What's her figure? What? What?
Let
So
me
what? Now
see.
she is held hostage and made to do these?
Well, you can't really see her face.
Yeah.
she is
does
skinny
have
though.
cuts on her lip though. You can see
Yeah,
it
dang.
there. Ew. That does look nasty. But she could have done anything during
She could have done that for me eating her food, man. You know, biting, eating real fast, bit of lip, you know.
Oh, she did have a big weird on her left arm.
Yeah.
I am alive.
People notice her subtitles capitalized letter help in order to spell help.
Whoa.
Now they're very small tranches.
I like how they're setting up to be creepy. That
Yeah, they
creepy
do,
music
yeah.
playing.
Oh. So apparently some people think she's abducted.
Yeah.
And she's being forced to eat against her own will.
Did you see? So each title starts with the...
Yeah.
Wow.
But if she's really
That
edited...
is suspicious because the way she started each thing, like, it could totally be a coincidence, but it almost seems weird. I like how they're building the suspense on this.
Seeing like they were...
Ooh.
I mean, I don't know. It's kind of crazy, man. We gotta look more into it.
Very
What is that, man? Like mush. My friends.
Huh.
Yeah.
I don't know.
There's a moment where she pauses and the sound of the door slowly opens, sound forcing her to get up, and it's a jump cut.
Huh.
Yeah, she uploaded another crash for a mukbang.
Interesting.
Yeah.
She doesn't ever talk, and she's like blindfolded, which is kind of weird.
Yeah, I know. And she'll never really show her entire face. These mukbang, it just make food eating so like, not so like
You can die
pleasing.
in peace after this bite.
She also cracks two of her teeth
Ew.
off. She cracked. She
Ew.
chipped a tooth.
What?
Girl, better go to the dentist.
Oh, you shouldn't be able to just crack a teeth that easily, I wouldn't think.
I want to see her do it.
You do and I don't. Oh! Ah!
Oh, girl, is it gonna come out?
doing that.
Yeah. Girl, you need to stop doing mukbangs. Or stop eating this
Not
crazy
eating
food.
that kind of stuff. That's gonna be painful if you're not.
Let me see your teeth.
Uh,
Is it a real teeth though? Or is
I
it
don't
fake?
know.
Smile so we can see.
Yeah, that looks like teeth.
Yeah, but
Hard
it could
to
be.
say, but
Is it really hers though? Is it really
my
like
whole tooth
fake?
was removed yesterday.
Oh.
Look at how skinny her arms were. Did you see
Yeah,
that?
she definitely thin.
Yep, I was gonna say poor hygiene.
Yeah. Damn.
And she looks super thin.
Yeah. Low to the head.
Interesting.
Yeah, it is interesting.
When being kidnapped.
I don't know.
I want to know where she's supposedly from. Like, where does
Yeah.
she film from?
What he had to say about the whole situation. Let's see what
Yeah, I think the
Nakado.
video's over almost.
His own mukbang.
Yeah.
Superb pain tolerance.
I think he's a big mukbanger.
So that's when she realized she broke her tooth. It was rotting in there. There's no blood. It's like, sis, you just broke your tooth. And
Yeah.
there you are. Just continuing,
Wow.
going on your merry way, continuing to eat the food.
Yeah.
She
People
didn't
eating
flinch
Popeyes.
Or, flinch.
Yeah, that would be-
nothing. Now, the only other possibility is that when she cut, there may have been a seam cut. She put in something like a little rock and pretended it was a tooth. I didn't really zoom in to see if it really was a tooth. It actually was pretty black, a rotten tooth. But how are you gonna know? Are you a doctor? You can't examine from a YouTube video.
It's true.
Yeah.
It is, yeah.
Afford to eat all that seafood every day. Can't afford to buy. Yeah.
It's not even affording to buy a toothbrush. It's just some people don't have good dental habits.
Yeah.
Ew.
Yeah.
What? If she had her wisdom tooth filled out, she wouldn't be doing that mukbang.
Yeah. But maybe, I
Sorry.
don't know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true too. You don't take them with you. Interesting.
Yeah. So she. My teeth, once extracted, are considered medical ways. Trying to make this like a horror video and stuff, a scary movie.
I know, it's just
Mukbang.
making it all creepy.
Yeah. Clean for some reason.
This music. Yeah, that's true. I like that the other guy said that too. It's like, so there was no blood?
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense. An at-home surgery removal?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. I hope I didn't scare you too much with this.
Yeah, man, it was definitely crazy, man. I don't know, man, what's up with this girl, man.
It was interesting,
but
that's for sure.
it was definitely pretty interesting,
Yeah.
man. I mean,
I like how they try to make it creepy and mysterious.
yeah, that's what they try to do, man. It is crazy how they try to make it be like a horror movie.
No, I enjoyed it though.
Yeah,
I like that they
yeah.
did that. It
I
made me
mean-
thought it,
mean-
and actually, I'm not gonna lie, I don't necessarily think I believe it all, but it made me go, huh, I wonder. Like,
Yeah,
just even
it
that
makes you want to look up
background
more
music.
research, man.
It
If you guys
does.
know, is this
Check it out.
still going on, man? Let us know in the comment section down below, man. Because this would be crazy if she was like
Yeah.
abducted, and forced to eat like all this crazy food.
But I agree, it
Yeah.
doesn't make sense. Like, it is very uncanny and a weird coincidence that, like, that one, like, each
Yeah.
like, line started with the letter and it spelled out help. But,
Yeah.
like you said, would she really be held, like, captive and made to do this? And then
Yeah.
she'd be editing her own videos? That doesn't really make sense.
Yeah, and they put all these like secret messages in there and stuff
Yeah.
like that.
It is a little
But yeah,
odd,
man, definitely a crazy one, man. But yeah, we're gonna end this video. We finna end it, man. Don't forget to subscribe,
And thumbs it up.
turn on notifications. It's your Memorial B.
And Nicole.
I'm gonna catch you on the next 1,000. Peace and love, baby.